Question number 1. Suriya is short dash vidya. A. By. B. Near. C. Beside. D. Besides. Answer C. Beside. Question number 2. My wife works dash the town hall. A. In. B. On. C. At. D. By. Answer C. At. Question number 3. He was learning dash a lamp post. A. For. B. By. C. Against. D. Before. Answer C. Against. Question number 4. I am interested dash reading novels. A. By. B. In. C. On. D. At. Answer B. In. Question number 5. Don't point dash my mistakes. A. In. B. At. C. Out. D. For. Answer C. Out. To watch more videos like this, subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon. Question number 6. Kanmani longs dash my friendship. A. For. B. From. C. By. D. Of. Answer A. For. Question number 7. She is good dash English. A. In. B. About. C. At. D. For. Answer C. At. Question number 8. I will think dash the matter. A. For. B. On. C. At. D. About. Answer D. About. Question number 9. Can I count dash your help? A. With. B. In. C. On. D. For. Answer C. On. Question number 10. I came to live here dash 1992. A. In. B. At. C. By. D. On. Answer A. In. Thanks for tuning into the General Knowledge Corner. We hope you enjoyed learning something new today. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel for more informative content. If you have any suggestions or requests for future topics, please leave a comment below. Stay curious and keep exploring.